And you should know about the change that's in you.
Welcome to Dr. Walls and Friends, live on the Sisters in Harmony Network and Africa TV1. We are here today with Uwe Banton, and this is your first time here in New York?
Yes, my very first time.
Oh, welcome.
Thanks a lot.
I don't know, I'm kind of scared to ask. What do you think of New York?
Well, you know, I know so far only New York from school books and movies and TV and so on, and yeah, I mean it's pretty much like how it's presented, you know. But of course it's a different vibe being here,
Yes.
you know, and meeting real people, and the vibe is very nice so far, you know.
All right, now
Yes.
tell the people, you are originally from Germany.
Yes.
What part of Germany?
The town I'm living in is Bielefeld.
All right,
Yeah.
okay.
That's kind of in the near Hanover, you know, Hanover, Dortmund.
I am the only one. Both of my brothers are fluent in German.
Oh, really?
And I am not.
Uh-huh.
I have tried to practice, but it just wasn't my language as it was theirs.
Okay, I get
Yes.
you, I get you.
So now tell me, how does a man from Germany get into reggae music?
Well, I must say, you know, I grew up like any other normal, you know, German youth in my days. But there was something, you know, a friend of mine, we always used to meet, you know, and play each other music after school. And one day he played me this Bob Marley album, and it was Babylon by Boss. And it just caught me, you know. It was the first time I really actually consciously, you know, became aware of this is a different type of music.
Yes.
There's a message behind it with, you know, with meaning. It's not just a show thing. And the more I learn about this music, the more I love it. And then, you know, I began to search and I wanted to learn, and this music has just become a very great part of my life.
Yes. And now tell me about your following over in Germany. Do you have a lot of people who are following reggae music and following you there?
Yes, well, you know, we have, I would say, you know, a good reggae scene that has, you know, I've been, you know, into reggae music now since about 1981.
Okay.
So I've seen, I can say I've seen quite a good, you know, share of the development that took place during that time. And, you know, since the late 90s, I would say, you know, there has been a lot of up and coming, you know, young musicians and young sound systems, selectors, DJs, you know, coming together, forming, you know, what they then call sound system, and, you know, organized parties and so. So there's a big I'll say a grassroots movement, you know.
Right.
It's not something that is actually like being portrayed in the way it should by mainstream media. The only reggae artist from Germany now that I would say, you know, gets that kind of coverage is Gentleman. You know, but that's happened when, you know, when you work with bigger companies, okay, you get a different exposure, but the majority of what I would describe as the reggae scene in Germany is independent.
Okay.
You know, we are some of the biggest reggae festivals in Europe are happening in Germany, like the Summer Jam, the Chiemsee Reggae Festival. We have the Reggae Jam, and we have Ruhr Reggae Summer. So we have 4 big reggae festivals actually, and lots of huge amount of small ones, little festivals.
Right.
So there's a great popularity, you know, which doesn't actually get its fair share of
Publicity.
Yes, that it should be.
Okay.
You know? So it's really up mostly in our own hands, you know, to help, you know, to promote the thing,
Yes.
to you know, build up networks in order to support each other, you know, and
Exactly.
yes, this is what it's built upon, you know.
Okay. Well, to our reggae fans out there all over the world, we have an international audience. They need to make sure they come to Germany and check out the scene and check you out.
Yes.
Now, for people who would like to follow you and to purchase your music, where should they go? Website, Facebook page?
Okay, my website is my name, uwebanton.com, which the Uwe is spelled Uwebanton. So let's not confuse this. It's just the way how we pronounce the W in
Yes.
Germany.
Yes.
uvebantan.com, as you know. And people can follow me on Facebook too. And if people want interested in purchasing the music, just look on iTunes, find tunes, if the whole platforms. My music is in my latest release is called Mental War. Having featuring songs like together with Luciano, Mikey General,
Nice.
Jacoustics, Carnador, and I have two albums prior to that, which one is called Rightful Place, and the first one is Ja Roots. So there's 3 solo albums out
All right,
for me
congratulations.
so far.
All right, people. So make sure you check them out, and we're getting ready to go check you out live on stage.
All right, looking forward.
Have a great show.
Give thanks.
All right.
Listen up.
We'll see you soon on Dr. Walls and Friends.